Top 10 law schools in the USA, where future presidents and Supreme Court justices are made. Have you ever wondered where America's most powerful judges, influential lawyers, and even presidents began their journey? From Harvard to Yale, from Stanford to Columbia, the United States is home to some of the most prestigious law schools in the world. These institutions shape not only legal minds, but also the future of democracy itself. Today on Innis Facts, we're diving deep into the top 10 law schools in the USA, exploring their history, rankings, alumni, and the reasons why they stand above the rest. 10. Northwestern Pritzker School of Law, Chicago, Illinois. Founded in 1859, Northwestern Law stands out for its strong emphasis on interdisciplinary learning. It was one of the first law schools to integrate business and law education, allowing students to earn joint JD/MBA degrees. The school is located in downtown Chicago, a hub for legal, corporate, and financial activity. Northwestern's curriculum focuses on experiential learning, encouraging students to engage with real clients through legal clinics. Notable alumni include U.S. Supreme Court Justice John Paul Stevens, who served for 35 years. Tuition may be steep, but Northwestern offers one of the best post-graduation employment rates in the country. 9. University of California, Berkeley School of Law, Berkeley, California. Known simply as Berkeley Law, this institution embodies progressive legal thought. It's famous for its strong programs in environmental law, intellectual property, and social justice. What makes Berkeley Law special is its grading system. It doesn't rank students by GPA. Instead, it promotes a collaborative and intellectually free environment. Berkeley alumni have gone on to serve as federal judges, state governors, and top executives in Silicon Valley. The school's location near San Francisco allows it to connect law with technology, startups, and innovation, a combination few others can match. 8. University of Virginia School of Law, Charlottesville, Virginia. Founded by Thomas Jefferson in 1819, UVA Law has a reputation for excellence and civility. It's often described as the law school with the best student life in America. UVA's graduates often secure prestigious clerkships at the Supreme Court and federal courts nationwide. The curriculum emphasizes both ethics and leadership, ensuring that graduates leave not just as lawyers, but as responsible citizens. Notably, it boasts one of the strongest alumni networks, with thousands of graduates serving in powerful legal and political roles. 7. New York University School of Law, New York City, New York. Situated in the heart of Manhattan, NYU Law is a global powerhouse for international and tax law. Students study steps away from Wall Street, UN headquarters, and major global law firms. The school has over 30 legal clinics, from immigrant rights to cybersecurity law. NYU is known for promoting global legal education, with study abroad programs and partnerships with universities in Europe and Asia. The city's energy reflects in its student body, fast-paced, ambitious, and diverse. Many of its alumni work at the highest levels of government and corporate law. 6. Columbia Law School, New York City, New York. A few miles uptown from NYU lies Columbia Law School, one of the oldest in the nation. Founded in 1858, Columbia is deeply tied to Wall Street and the business world. It's particularly strong in corporate law, international law, and constitutional studies. Columbia graduates include U.S. presidents like Franklin D. Roosevelt and Supreme Court justices such as Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Its modern facilities, competitive environment, and connection with top-tier law firms make it one of the hardest schools to get into. Tuition is among the highest, but so is the potential return on investment. 5. University of Chicago Law School, Chicago, Illinois. If you love logic, economics, and debate, this is the place for you. Founded in 1902, UChicago Law is famous for pioneering the concept of law and economics, blending analytical thinking with legal reasoning. Many of its professors have won Nobel Prizes in economics. Former U.S. President Barack Obama once taught constitutional law here. The environment is famously rigorous. Every student is expected to think critically and challenge assumptions. UChicago graduates dominate judicial clerkships and academic positions across the nation. 4. Harvard Law School, Cambridge, Massachusetts. Founded in 1817, Harvard Law School is the oldest continuously operating law school in the United States. It's also the largest, with thousands of students from over 70 countries. Harvard has shaped some of the most influential figures in history: Barack Obama, John F. Kennedy, Elena Kagan, and many others. Its library, the world's largest academic law library, holds over 2 million volumes. Harvard's wide range of programs, global reach, and legendary prestige make it the dream destination for countless aspiring lawyers. But it's also incredibly competitive, with an acceptance rate below 13%. 3. Stanford Law School, Stanford, California. Located in the heart of Silicon Valley, Stanford Law is the perfect intersection between law, technology, and innovation. It's smaller than most top law schools, fostering a tight-knit community and personalized learning. Stanford is renowned for its focus on law and technology, intellectual property, and environmental policy. It consistently ranks among the top 3 law schools in the world. Graduates often go on to lead in fields like venture capital, corporate law, and tech policy. Its motto might as well be, "Change the world legally." 2. Yale Law School, New Haven, Connecticut. Yale has long held the reputation of being the most selective law school in the United States, admitting fewer than 7% of applicants. Its unique approach to legal education emphasizes scholarship, ethics, and public service. There are no traditional grades, only evaluations. This fosters intellectual exploration over competition. Yale has produced more Supreme Court justices than any other law school, including Sonia Sotomayor, Clarence Thomas, and Samuel Alito. It's where future policymakers, professors, and presidents are born. Students describe Yale as less of a school and more of an idea, a laboratory for justice. 1. Harvard versus Yale, the eternal debate. You might wonder, why isn't Harvard number 1? In most rankings, Yale takes the top spot for its intimate environment, world-class faculty, and unmatched influence. But Harvard often wins in size, diversity, and global impact. The truth is, both institutions symbolize the pinnacle of American legal education. Choosing between them is like choosing between excellence and perfection. Honorable mentions: Duke University School of Law, known for international law and ethics. Georgetown University Law Center, located in Washington, D.C., the capital of policy and power. University of Michigan Law School, blending history and innovation beautifully. In closing, from the marble halls of Yale to the glass towers of Stanford, America's law schools have shaped the pillars of justice that hold the nation together. Behind every courtroom victory, every landmark judgment, and every reform, stand a mind forged in one of these institutions. So, if you dream of justice, change, or leadership, your path might just begin here. Thank you for watching Innis Facts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the facts that shape our world.